Was I skeptical about Lee Kearney and his actual performance? I wasn't very skeptical. I felt like your materials were first rate. I did a little bit of snooping around on the web, but definitely, I mean, he's real deal. I mean, everything I felt about him, he's the real deal, for sure. This is the only place I've ever seen where somebody with this scale of business will bring you in and show you the mechanisms, the systems, the thought process. As we were at dinner last night, we were talking, and just now there's things that are in me that I never would have conceived of, and they're now part of my DNA. I've absorbed him. So I go back to Dallas with a little absorption of a guy that's doing business on a high level. And we came here to eliminate the stops that would stop us. We don't want to get stuck at 1 million, stuck at 2 million. We want to flow on up, and I feel like that 50,000 foot, this is what it looks like. This is how you create a well-oiled machine. I've never seen it available before that's worth any price. Lee's a systems guy. Lee's a genius. He's a business genius. And almost anybody else that I've studied, I've had a mentor that was high dollar that I asked about systems, and he laughed at systems, and I fired him that day. To me, I don't want to work hard. I don't want another job. I have a job. And I want to do things well. I want to do things easy. I want to do things effectively. And Lee's the top. Lee's the best. If you study with Lee, you're going to absorb the real deal. I've got 5 pages of boxed in action items, and probably the truth is any 1 or 2 of those was worth the cost in time and the cost in money. And the cost in time is as much as the money. I mean, it's a lot of time to come. And so I've got 3 pages of those executable plan items. But tomorrow I'm going to get a virtual assistant, and we're going to begin working smart. I've been marketing, but not the right way. We've been working lists and areas, but not in the right way. So we'll begin building our organization